Episode 16 Xavier's Relationship with Ignatius of Loyola. Hello everyone. Today we dwell in the pivotal relationship in the history of the Catholic Church, the profound association between St Francis Xavier and Ignatius of Loyola. Their close partnership and shared vision played a vital role in the formation of the Jesuits, leaving an enduring influence on the Catholic Church. Xavier's relationship with Ignatius of Loyola. St Francis Xavier shared a close association with Ignatius of Loyola, the founder of the Society of Jesus. Their relationship led to the foundation for the Jesuits, an order that would become a pillar of the Catholic Church. Shared vision and common goals. Xavier and Ignatius of Loyola shared a vision of reforming the Church and serving the society. Their shared commitment to spiritual growth and service laid the groundwork for the Jesuits' order's distinctive mission. Significance of their partnership in the formation of the Jesuits. Xavier and Ignatius were key figures in the formation of the Society of Jesus. Their collaboration led to the establishment of a new religious order focused on education, missionary works, and social service. Contribution to Jesuit spiritual exercises and missionary zeal. The spiritual exercises developed by Ignatius played a fundamental role in the Jesuits' spiritual formation. This spiritual foundation deeply influenced Xavier's missionary zeal and commitment. Enduring influence on the Catholic Church. The Jesuits, founded by Ignatius with Xavier as one of its earliest members, became an influential order within the Catholic Church. Their contribution, teachings, and missions significantly impacted the Church's history. Jesuits' mission and educational legacy. The Jesuits' mission and educational initiatives, rooted in the principles set forth by Xavier and Ignatius, had a profound impact on the society and the Church. Their commitment to education, service, and missionary work became a cornerstone of the Jesuit identity. Leadership and formation of future saints. Xavier and Ignatius' leadership not only led to the foundation for the Jesuit order, but also played a role in the formation of other prominent saints and leaders within the Catholic Church. Modern Jesuit mission and global presence. The Jesuit global presence and continued mission worldwide bears the imprint of Xavier and Ignatius' original vision. Their order remains active and influential across various regions and causes. Their partnership between St Francis Xavier and Ignatius of Loyola was pivotal in the formation of the Jesuits. Their shared vision and commitment to service, education, and missionary works left an indelible mark on the Catholic Church, shaping its history and enduring influences. Thank you for joining me for this episode. Their collaborative efforts and vision of Xavier and Ignatius remains a significant chapter in the annals of the Catholic Church history, symbolizing a legacy of service and spiritual commitment.